Hey YouTube land, I want to give you a super quick video here. If you have an Pontiac Bonneville or somewhere with a 3800 engine, had a fuel leak on the input here on the rail. I'll put the link for the Doorman parts in for this and for that. But what I end up doing is just taking the old one off by squeezing it, pulling it off. And if it's been ran for a little bit, you may want to put a rag over it just in case it has a little bit of pressure left on it. And then I use this Doorman 3/8 quick coupler. You can see it. And then I also kind of switch some wires around here so it comes out to the back. But anyway, this is the quickest, maybe not the cheapest, but the quickest way to get this done. I don't know, I'd say under $30, but you'll have the rest of your day. You know, I mean, all you have to do is cut this for length, cut that off of the old one, push those two together, push this down on, and you're done. I mean, it's really a 10-minute job once you get all the parts. And it sure does beat trying to put in the little barb fitting, the barb union. This original hose does not move like the newer stuff. I've heated it up, I put hot water on it to try to soften it. I never could get it to work. That was the only way I could get it. Hooking this on to pieces, I could heat that up and put it onto that, the newer one. But just save yourself some time, spend a little money, and just buy that hose and that coupler, and I'll set the links up for it where I got them, and have an easier life than I did in my experience. So later, guys and girls.